Hi everyone, this is Annapurni and welcome to my crochet channel. In today's video we will see how to do half double crochet. So for that, first I am going to make a slip knot. Now we will do some chain stitches. We have our chain stitches ready. Now we can start doing the half double crochet. For that, first you have to yarn over. Then you have to insert the hook into the third chain from the hook. So you can see this is your first chain, second, third. So you have to insert the hook into the third chain from the hook. Like this. Now you can see we have 3 loops in the hook. Next step is you have to yarn over, then pull through all the 3 loops at the same time, like this. So this is the first half double crochet. We can do the next one. For the next one, you have to first yarn over like this. Then you can insert the hook into the next chain. Now you can see we have 3 loops in the hook. Yarn over, pull through the 3 loops at the same time. So this is the second half double crochet. We can do some more stitches like this. Yarn over, insert into the next chain. Then yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. One more, yarn over, insert into the next chain. We have 3 loops in the hook. Yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. This is how you will do half double crochet. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Happy crocheting! Bye!